Eddie, já vai.
These two doggos' patience is being tested. The owner lays out a juicy piece of chicken on the table.
Não é pra pegar. Não, rapaz é bom.
And tells the dog to stay away from it. Then he leaves them alone with the gorgeous piece of chicken. The dogs are very tempted but are resisting. They have devised their own methods to be patient. The golden retriever has decided to not even look at it. The temptation is too real for the husky. Husky goes out of the room and paces here and there. He is salivating and is about to lose his patience. Do you think he'll be able to control himself? They are both trying so hard to resist the urge. The husky finally breaks and starts licking the chicken. The retriever is still being a good boy and never approaches it. Only one of the dogs passed the difficult test.
O que você tá lambendo aqui? Que coisa, hein? Sem vergonha. Vem cá, vem cá. Vem. Papai vai dar. Derrubou o trem aqui tudo, olha. Não comeu não, mas... Ó, não, mas ainda não. Não, ainda não. Papai vai dar. Esse carro bem